DataShuttle connects your CRM to new apps and makes the process as simple as using a native integration. Today, we're going to show you how to integrate Konnektive CRM with Campaigner for a Cart Abandonment Scenario. We'll be using our demo store to demonstrate how to set up your DataShuttle account, configure a campaign mapping for cart abandonments, and test that the connection is working. First, you'll need to connect Konnektive CRM to DataShuttle. Navigate to the CRM section from the Marketing menu, click the blue button, New CRM, and complete the form. Be sure that the time zone matches your CRM's time zone and authenticate your credentials to ensure they're working before saving. Next, you'll need to connect Campaigner to DataShuttle. Navigate to the Automation Platform section, click New Automation Platform, complete the form, and authenticate before saving. Next, you'll need to map your CRM campaigns to a list in Campaigner. Navigate to the Campaign Mapping section, click New Campaign Mapping. Complete the form. Both type and brand are customizable fields. The mapping type will be set to Cart Abandon. Select your CRM and marketing automation platform. Select your CRM campaign and campaigner list. Let's pause here for a minute to discuss data fields. By default, DataShuttle will transfer first name, last name, email, and phone number. In our demo store, we'll be using custom fields to store the customer's skin concern and for encrypting the order ID to be used as a key for pre-filling the customer's information when they return to our site via our automations. Now let's resume our data mapping and add our custom fields. Click Add Data Field Mapping, select Custom, Order ID, C#, and Encode Base 64. Next, select Custom, Issue Value to pass the customer issue to Campaigner. Then, click Save. Now let's test our campaign mapping by loading in a customer record. This is our demo website selling skincare products. We'll add an item to cart and checkout. You'll notice our form has a drop-down to collect the user's skin concern. This value is stored in a custom field in the CRM. Once we complete the shipping form, the customer data is sent to the CRM and is ready for DataShuttle to transfer. Let's test your connection. DataShuttle transfers data every 5 to 15 minutes. However, in order to expedite the testing process, we provide a function to manually initiate a data transfer. To test your mapping connection, navigate to CRM, locate your CRM, and click the 3 dots and select Sync. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a notification to let you know how many records have been sent. At this point, you can log into Campaigner and confirm that your data was sent and that the custom fields were populated. With our order ID encrypted and stored in a custom field, we can now use that value as a key to populate customer data during a cart abandon automation. Here's what our URL would look like in Campaigner. However, when the Campaigner automation runs, Campaigner will dynamically insert the encrypted order ID from the customer's profile. Let's go back to our demo store. When our test customer clicks the dynamic link that is generated in a click send message, the customer's contact details are pre-filled. This concludes our demonstration. With DataShuttle, more options means more revenue. Get started today.